How to change Prime membership in Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change your Prime membership on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to basically go ahead and then change your Prime membership on Amazon, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all not open the Amazon app, but instead you open your browser, and once you open your browser, go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. And once you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, you're gonna be able to see this sort of interface, where what you want to do is first of all make sure that you're logged into your free Amazon account. So as you can see, I'm also logged in. After that, you'll find the Try Prime option here. Make sure to tap the Try Prime option. You'll be able to see all of the Prime benefits that you get. So you can view all of the discounts, deals and coupons over here, but ignoring that, if you want to enter your payment method, go ahead and make sure to enter your gift card, or maybe if you have a payment method such as Venmo or credit or debit card, whatever else it is that you have, select that and then tap the continue option, and then you should be able to buy or purchase Prime membership in Amazon. This way you'll be able to purchase Prime membership in Amazon. Hope this video is helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.